Hello my lovelies. So this is just a quick video on addition using the column method. I'm only going to be adding 2 digit by 1 digit for this video. So the first example I'm going to start with, I'll just use one side of the board so that I can put the next example there. Okay, is 32 add 6. Okay, so there's our equation. Now we're going to put it into the column method. We're going to get the biggest number first, so 32. Okay, remember, this is the tens, this is the units. This number is a 1-digit number, it's on its own, so this is just in the units column, okay? So tens and units. If you need any help on place value, which talks about the different columns and how they alter the amount of the number, you can have a look at the video. I'll put the link in the description below. Because these are both in the units column, when I put the 6 into this column method, it's going to go underneath the 2. This is important so that you don't get confused later on, okay? So if there was a digit here, and that was in the tens column, then we would add something there. We would add a number there, but it's not, okay? So that's okay that it's staying blank, don't worry. Now, I've added 2 lines. I'm going to put a little plus there just to remind myself that we are doing addition, okay? And now we're going to start with the unit. So for a second, ignore the tens, okay? So 6 add 2. You can use Dean's box, you can use little items, or you can just draw if you want to. So if I start with 2 dots, and then I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because I got 6 there, 2 there. Now we're going to add them together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to put 8 there. I put it under the 2 and the 6, it's in the units column, because it's the units that I've added together, okay? Now for the tens column, so now we're ignoring the units. In the tens column, it's 3 add, oh, there's nothing there. So we don't need to add anything to that. Okay, so that would be 3 add nothing. So 1, 2, 3 add nothing is just 3. And there you have your answer, okay, equals 38. Okay, so next example. This one's going to be a little bit trickier because you're going to have to carry a number, but we'll explain as we go through. So 28 add 7, okay? Remember, if you need to, you can label them tens and units, and then because this is a 1-digit number, it's on its own, this is also in the units column. So 28, and then remember tens and units, add in the 7. It's going underneath there because it's in the units column, okay? There you go, put a little plus to remind myself. Right, so 8 add 7, because remember, we're ignoring the tens column for the moment. So 8, I'm going to do 8 dots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 7 dots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's add them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we've got 15 altogether. So 8 add 7 is 15. Now, if I wrote it like this, I wouldn't have any room for 2 add nothing to go into the tens column. So we carry the 1. So the 5, okay, so if you're looking at the number 15, there's the tens and the units. The units, okay, so the 5 goes into the units column, just stays there. Okay, so we've dealt with that one. Now, the tens column, there's a 1, but as I say, we can't put it here because we still need to add the 2 to the digit, or the lack thereof, that's here, okay? So we would put the 1 down here. Okay, so still 15, but we're carrying the 1 down here. Notice I put the 1 in line with the tens column. So 2 add nothing would just be 2, but remember we've carried a 10, okay? So we've carried the 1 down here. So 2 add 1 is 3. So altogether, it's 35. That was just a quick example, guys. I will do some more with slightly bigger numbers, but I hope you've enjoyed, and just remember, keep practicing. It's the same process for any number. For now, if you're struggling, just stick with the 2-digit by 1-digit number and build up slowly. Thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely day.